How could this terrible thing happen? The oil truck caught fire and sped down the road, sweeping away all the vehicles in its path. It created a long trail of fire on the road, just like in disaster movies. The truck plunged off the bridge and exploded. It looked absolutely terrifying. It's unimaginable what this truck must have gone through to end up like this. Oh, it's truly astonishing. The crashed truck slammed into the guardrail and is now hanging precariously in the middle of the bridge. They overestimated the crane and underestimated their skills. The rescue operation handled some severe car drops, but fortunately, no one was injured. How could this happen? He was completely shocked.
Oh shit.
A shocking incident left everyone feeling confused. Fortunately, no one was injured in the darkness. Sometimes, not every rescue mission ends well, even though every effort might not work in your favor. How could this happen? The cause might be the ground sinking into the river beneath the truck's wheels. Not every rescue mission ends well. Miscalculating the weight of the cargo can cause the vehicle to overturn. Oh, it was truly impressive. The truck surged forward, crashing hard into the large truck ahead. The quick reflexes of the car were remarkable, narrowly escaping a fatal collision. A shocking incident left everyone bewildered. A kerosene tanker crashed and caught fire in the middle of the road, creating a massive blaze that paralyzed all traffic. Wow! The colossal explosion engulfed everything in a sea of flames. If only he had made the road smoother with all the sand and gravel he encountered, the accident might have been avoided.
That's not enough for a big birthday cake. It's only just enough to fill a mug. Aha! Yeah!
An unexpected incident brought two vehicles face to face, forcing the truck driver to swerve quickly off the roadside. The runaway truck looked truly terrifying. On the narrow road, it sped with high velocity, making the scene look horrific. Oh my, the truck lost stability and flipped over. An excavator was rescued and met with an accident in an impressive way. Let's hope it wasn't damaged too much. It was an unexpected incident, but fortunately, the truck driver handled the situation calmly on the incredible road. Oh, truly impressive. The truck plunged down the cliff. It's unbelievable. It's terrifying. I can't imagine what the vehicle went through to end up like this. Witness this terrifying moment. The sudden brake caused a massive steel beam to nearly crush the front of the truck. If this strange moment caught your attention, leave a comment below. A concrete mixer truck met an accident in the river. It's a shocking incident that left everyone feeling confused. The crane is straining to lift a heavy piece of machinery. It's horrifying. One car accident caused 2 trucks to be crushed together. The bulldozer slid on the ice. But watch as the excavator steps in to save the day. It's a spectacular recovery. The bus rescue attempt failed right on the steep slope, and it looked truly terrifying. A collision of 2 monsters. As the driver used every ounce of strength to navigate this dangerous situation. But it wasn't enough. Horrifying. This scene shocked the motorcyclist as the massive truck flipped over right in front of them. A unique sight of the excavator as it works on the coal mountain, which is burning fiercely.
Oh my God.
The crane suddenly snapped in half while lifting the massive machinery, and the scene looked truly horrifying. The crane was lifted into the air. Let's hope it wasn't damaged too much during the process.
3 a búnker, accidente en portón 6, la grúa acaba de caer.
Не хочешь, а пошел.
How could this happen? The heavy sand truck's bed broke its axle, crushing the front of the truck. A chaotic scene as the grain container collapsed. Everything happened so suddenly. But fortunately, no one was injured.
Oh my God.